Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Shopify. First, ensure you have an active Shopify store and a verified PayPal business account ready. This integration allows your customers to pay securely and conveniently, boosting their trust and potentially increasing your sales. We'll cover the essential steps to get you set up quickly and efficiently so you can start accepting payments. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Payments. Here, you will see various payment options. Look for the PayPal section, which is typically listed under third-party providers or supported payment methods. Once you've found the PayPal option, click the Activate PayPal Express Checkout button. This action will redirect you to the PayPal website. Log in using your PayPal business account credentials. After successful login, you will be prompted to grant Shopify permissions to process payments on your behalf. Review these permissions carefully and then confirm the connection. After connecting, it's crucial to test the integration. Place a small test order on your Shopify store and proceed to checkout. Verify that PayPal is now displayed as an available payment option. Complete the test purchase using your PayPal account to ensure the transaction processes correctly. Finally, double-check your Shopify payment settings to confirm everything is active and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.